Welcome to another episode of Ultimate Mining Power, where heavy machinery meets pure performance at the Interkat SA Mine Site. In today's massive operation, two earth-moving giants, the Caterpillar 390D and Hitachi Zaxis 670LC Excavators, take charge, loading four-axle Mercedes and MAN trucks with incredible power and precision. This is the kind of teamwork that defines modern mining: raw strength, smooth coordination, and non-stop productivity under tough working conditions. Every scoop and swing shows how engineering excellence and skilled operators drive the world's biggest industries forward. The CAT 390D excavator is built for extreme mining conditions. Powered by a 523 horsepower engine, this machine delivers unmatched digging force and lifting capacity. Its advanced hydraulic system ensures fast cycle times, allowing trucks to be loaded quickly and efficiently. Operators trust the CAT 390D for its rock-solid stability, responsive controls, and durability on rough terrains. Whether it's hard rock or overburden, this excavator performs with strength and consistency that keeps production levels high all day long. On the other side of the pit, the Hitachi Zaxis 670LC is equally impressive, a perfect example of Japanese engineering. With its fuel-efficient engine, massive digging depth, and precise hydraulics, the 670LC combines power with smooth operation. It's known for its reliability and reduced fuel consumption, making it a smart choice for large-scale mining. Together, the CAT 390D and Hitachi 670LC create a powerhouse duo that can move thousands of tons of material in record time. Working alongside these excavators are the reliable Mercedes and MAN four-axle dump trucks, built to carry heavy loads with speed and safety. Their robust design, strong suspension, and high-torque engines make them ideal for the rough and uneven surfaces of mining environments. The coordination between the excavators and trucks is seamless. As one truck pulls away fully loaded, another rolls in, keeping the operation smooth and continuous without any downtime. Every element of this setup, from the machines to the people running them, represents the heart of modern mining efficiency. It's a perfect blend of human skill, mechanical strength, and cutting-edge technology working together toward one goal: maximum productivity.
Ben de size oraya internete doğru çıkarlar.
Öyle kolay.
Late. teoria desta máquina, fica em carro novo.
If you love watching massive machines in action, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful mining content from around the world. And don't forget to comment below. Which machine impressed you most in this ultimate mining operation?